Hey guys, Lady Borgia, and happy belated Dia de los Muertos. Yes, I know I was supposed to have this up yesterday, the day before, the 1st or the 2nd. It is now November 3rd, but there were some issues that I'll tell you about in a second. I could not go without doing this video. I tried to do it earlier in the month and the other day, and we had some stuff happen. But when I thought this up, it was just too cool. I ordered this shirt for it. It's glow in the dark. This veil, I know, I have a lot of veils. It's the vibe I am feeling. I'm an artist. We do stuff like that. You could all say Lady Borgia's first full YouTube Halloween was the veil season, okay? Anyway, this veil is reversible. There's black roses on the back, purple in the front. Thinking we're probably going to go with the purple. So, it is a reversible glow in the dark, my shirt, and some facial things, and UV neon glow Dia de los Muertos skull. So, a reversible glow in the dark UV neon Dia de los Muertos skull. How freaking cool is that? Oh, and it's bejeweled. A bejeweled glow in the dark reversible Dia de los Muertos. You know, that whole thing, I can't say it again because I don't know what the hell I said. It's getting confusing. It's like a tongue twister. So, anyway, yeah, early month, had some issues. Halloween night, after doing a crap ton of makeup, which is fantastic, I had some issues with my back and some problems walking and whatnot, but I figured a solution out. It just on the fly, and we made it work. And, now we are going for it because I got to do this one. It's too much fun. And man, I bought the t-shirt for it. Anyway, let's get going. We are going to create the magic now. So give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ding, hit that notification bell so you don't miss all the fun, because we got some new products. We got holiday characters. We got all kinds of stuff, and I'm going to be trying to upload 2 times a week. God's willing, maybe 3. I don't know. We're gonna go for it. All right, babies, let's go have some fun. Okay, we're gonna start out with the tag UV neons, and we're gonna go in with that yellow and a little flat brush, and we're gonna cut the top of the line. We want a sharp line for the top, and we're gonna magically pick up a Q-tip. And with that water, just some water because it's water activated paint, we're going to cut it across, and then we're going to take some P. Louise base, and we're going to go over that because we want to put some UV pigment on top of it, which Stargazer we're going in. And we went in with UV water activated paint first, just to make sure we had a really distinct line, and then I figured let's top some more neon on top of it. It's double duty. And then we're gonna go back in with the white again, P. Louise, and some Blush Tribe purple, which was horrible. I have the Neon Dreams collection. Yeah, no, some of them were great. This one had little rocks, yeah, little chunks in it that I had to squish in the lid. It took forever, to be honest. The purple stinks. It was rotten. Oh, I was exhausted. And then Poison Plum from Sugar Pill, just to fill in any little areas. I was so much happier. And then Iconic from Ciate London, that's lipstick, just blending it out. It's a glitter lipstick. And then Lemon Tart, yes, lemon yellow UV glitter from Lit, and we're just packing it on. Looks a little weird there because it's not dry yet. And putting it throughout the purple. Wasn't sure how yellow was going to look on top of purple, but it actually turns out really well once it's dry. Yeah, I was starting to get happy. And then some Morphe gel liner just to set the lashes on. So you just have a little place to boop, put them on. Woo! I love that yellow. And then some No Offense lipstick from Jeffree Star in the Waterline. And back to the Poison Plum and 2 AM. You want to bring it real far down. Gee, I can speak properly. From Sugar Pill. You want to blend it down because she's a skull. And then we're going to go into the wolf water activated paints. Those are paraffin based. You want that. Wipe off your lips, and then you want a number 4 filbert. It makes putting in those teeth really easy. I kind of wish I used some Ben Nye Liquicet to make them waterproof, but you don't have to. It's a lot better usually. If I was going to wear it longer, I would have used the Liquicet in place of water. And then we're just bringing up a little bit because this is a really easy Dia de los Muertos skull, sugar skull. I wanted to do something really easy and glam for you guys after some of the other stuff. And this is also where having big pouty lips is not an advantage. I kept having to suck my lip in, but I will be doing more of these and getting pretty detailed later on because you can do them all year long. And then you go into tag with the purple, also paraffin wax based. And I'm going to outline all the teeth in purple. And then I'm going to go back in with the neon purple afterwards. And we're going to bring that up the little cheekbone area. Like I said, I kept it really simple. And there we go. Whoop. Up we go. And there we go. Back into the neon UV palette. I also have a Krylon palette that has the exact same colors. But the UV colors some of them, especially like purple and whatnot, tend to be a little less opaque. So I put colors down first. And then there's tag regular green that I started to put down, and then I went back in with tag UV green, which actually was handling it pretty well and being pretty opaque as long as I didn't put too much water in it and kept it a little bit thicker. So that's great. The yellow does work really well too. You can tell I use it a lot. And then we're going to go into just a little scroll work, super easy. A little fan is helpful. And then we're going to just put in dots. That's all you got to do. I didn't even get out my dotting tools. Just dots. They don't have to be perfect. Over the little triangles. Simple, simple, simple. You can do it. I know you can. And then a little swirl. Bring it up. And if you don't want to do that all in one fell swoop, just do a little bit of it. And then come back and do a little bit more. And then filled it in and then brought some of that white and yellow up. More of the yellow. Filling in some of the green triangles. And you could really put any decoration above the lip. And then we're going to go green with the nose. Then orange to fill it in because that's what I felt like. You could change the colors because it's fun. Oh, I'm liking that eye. And then back into the black wolf water activated paint to just round it out. And we're ready to fill. Yeah, okay. We're going to put everything together so we can see all 3 different looks: glow in the dark, regular, and UV. And here we have the reversible UV glow in the dark Dia de los Muertos skull and skeleton who's done the whole body. It's hard to tell you about it without opening my mouth. All right. All right. Are you ready to see glow in the dark and UV? Hang on. Hello, babies. And here you have your glow in the dark skull. In fact, I have so many of these glow in the dark stickers. It's so much fun. I will link them below as usual, as I do everything else. All right, are you ready to see the UV? Okay, here we go. Woo! There we are. Reversible flowers, UV, a glow in the dark, a Dia de los Muertos skull. Finally done! Alright guys, I had a ton of fun doing this. I will definitely do more sugar skulls throughout the year. I like to get really detailed ones, but I didn't want to go too crazy on you guys. Oh look, her head even glows in the UV too. I had no idea. Awesome! All right. I hope you enjoyed and had a great time. It's definitely belated Dia de los Muertos, but I hope you had a wonderful Dia de los Muertos. And I will see you soon with some new products to review. And holiday glam and characters. All right. Love you all. Lady Borgia.